everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power 18 minus 1 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 2 power 18 we can write it as 2 power 9 times 2 minus 1. So 2 power 9 power 2. According to exponent rule, x power mn we can write it as x power m power n also minus 1 square. Now here I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So where a is 2 power 9 plus 1 or 2 power 9 minus 1. So we know that 2 power 9 is 512. So it becomes 512 plus 1 and 512 minus 1. So 513 times 511. 513 we can write it as 500 plus 13. Similarly, 511 as 500 plus 11. Now we are going to multiply first 500 with the next bracket, both numbers. So 500 times 500 is 250,000 plus 500 times 11 is 5500 plus 13 times 500 is 6500 and 13 times 11 is 143. Now after adding all these terms we get 262143. So this is our final answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.